I hope you're all having a good day. My name is Brandon. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, thanks for stopping by. If you like the content, share, subscribe. And for those of you that are new to my channel, thanks for subscribing, as I do answer all questions, comments, any time of the day. And with that being said, we're going to jump right in. Today's video is content marketing strategy, and I'm going to give you 2 strategies in this video to help you to increase your bottom line, to help you get more reach, and to help you to get your business out there, no matter if you're an online or offline business. And that will jump right in. Number 1, if you are new to online marketing and you're trying to get people aware of your products or services, is 2 ways you can do that. One is by blogging, and the other is by article writing. Now, blogging and article writing are 2 different things, but a blog can extend your reach. It can also help you. Blogging is a great way because there's 2 types of blogs you can write. You can write a short form blog or a long form blog. Long form blog is more like an article, which you could extend your reach and share on other different channels, such as ezinearticle.com is a place where people just go and check out and read articles every day. Short form blog is more like your LinkedIn type of stuff that you can do, and also there, especially if you're a coach or consultant, or someone that's looking to network with more people, LinkedIn is the perfect place to do it. And also you can share your blog across multiple channels, including Facebook, Twitter, and you can also advertise it on LinkedIn. The second thing, another content marketing strategy you must do if you're trying to succeed and grow your business, especially in a local market, is YouTube advertising. Setting up a YouTube channel or doing YouTube ads. These are the most effective content marketing strategies. These content strategies alone are the most effective ways for anyone, whether you're a small business or a big business, to get your name out there. Why? A lot of people spend more time watching YouTube videos a day than they do on anywhere else. That's why YouTube is #1 place for you to go if you need to market your business and get your products out there, seen, heard, and talked about. And also doing YouTube ads, also it helps extend your reach. And if people like it, they share it across multiple other platforms, which in turn pushes the YouTube algorithm to shoot your video to the top and to help you to be able to grow your business. Well, that's all I got for today. If you like the content, share, subscribe, as I will be dropping a couple of more videos and a couple of more different ways of content marketing, because there's several other ways that I did not mention in this video, but I will be letting you know in the next upcoming videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.